Hello, my name is Sahari. I am a manifestation specialist, life designer, creator of the YOUZen life, so you can start to living the life with you truly desire. So today, we're living in such a weird, difficult time. So it's on the recording, we are facing a lot of difficulty with the coronavirus, and there's so many people losing something so important, losing freedom mainly, in finding a very difficult time. And totally I get that, and totally I have a compassion towards to everybody going through this. But one thing I really wanted to share with you today is what I share with you today. If you can embrace this, your life become much more joyful and happy, even though this is a difficult time. So one thing is the mistake people doing. This mistake is you believe, or we believe, happiness or joy is outside of us. So we constantly living the place of, when I have this, XYZ, more money, love, better government, better country, better partner, better kids, whatever it is, when I have this, I am happy, I'm more joyful, I can smile more. When I have this, or when I get this, I will be happy. So we're looking for the happiness. In order to get happiness, you have to be or go somewhere or do something or have something. Problem for this is you never stop chasing, because this is a human. We are human. Human is always want more. So if you're looking for the happiness, you judge your happiness through what you have and who you to be. When you get that place, you want more. That's natural reaction for human. So you feel like constantly chasing more and more. Why do I know this? Because I was there. When I was depressed, depression, my life that time, which is, I don't know, maybe 7 years ago, something like that, my life that time and life I have now, not much of the different. Like a physical level, not much of the different. One thing to change is I have a purposeful job. Yes, that's a big difference. Like I now living in a purpose-free and all that. But I could easily to say I have the goal within this purposeful job, and then if I waiting for the happiness until this is this much successful, that much successful, I am constantly looking for the place of luck. So I invite you today is I'm going to share with you in a different video how to find happiness within, but this video particularly wanted to share with you is mistake people doing it. So mistake is you cannot find happiness outside of you. Happiness actually within you. Once you started to find happiness within, your glasses, your perception towards to life will change. That's 100%. Once that change, you start to see more amazing miracle you already have in your life. So, if you are looking for the place of if you are looking for some hope, if you are looking, you wanted to be more happier and joyful, doesn't matter what life throws at you. Think about this. what can you find happiness within? And I show you how part in the next video. But I want you to really look in to find the happiness within. Stop looking or stop being happy. Stop looking for outside of you to make you happy. That's what I wanted to say. Yeah, so if you're thinking, constantly say, oh, I am not happy because I don't have money. I'm not happy because my relationship sucks. Instead of that, start looking, okay, what can I actually think? What can I see in me make me happy right now, this moment in time? I know this is not easy things to do. That's why I take you to step by step. Don't you worry. I'll take you there. But that's that message from me today. That's it from me. That's a quick one. All right. See ya. Bye.